Good morning children, I am Sanamis here. Today we are going to study our 14th lesson, cities on river banks. Before that, I hope you all have gone through the 13th lesson, name the following. I hope you have written everything into your notebook as well as in your textbook. So now this lesson is about the famous cities and famous rivers and where these cities and rivers are present, in which country these are present. So the famous cities are present on these famous river banks. So we will just go through this lesson with some important points of the cities as well as the rivers. Okay, the first one is London. This is on the banks of the river Thames and this is in England. So we will see the importance of London. It is the capital of England. It is the 21st century city. London is considered to be one of the world's most important global cities and has been called the world's most powerful, most desirable and most influential, most visited, most expensive, most investment friendly and most popular for work. So this is the importance of this city, London. This is present on the river Thames. Thames river is the longest river entirely in England and the second largest in United Kingdom. The second one is Bonn. This city is on the river bank Rhine and it is in Germany. Bonn is known for the Central Beethoven House, a famous memorial and museum honoring the composer's birthplace. So this is about the Bonn city. And about the river Rhine, this is the major European rivers which has its sources in Switzerland and flows in a mostly in north direction through Germany and Netherlands and emptying into the North Sea. This is about the Bonn city and the river Rhine and this is in Germany. Third one is Cairo. It is on the banks of the river Nile and it is in Egypt. So Cairo, it is the capital of Egypt. Giza, it is the famous site of iconic pyramids. Giza is one of the important pyramids and Great Sphinx is also present in this place. So Egypt is famous for pyramids. So Giza and Great Sphinx, these are pyramids found in Cairo. And about the river Nile, it is the world's longest river with its source deep in Africa and it runs north from near the equator and the Nile flows into the Mediterranean Sea just north of Cairo, Egypt. So this is about Cairo and the river Nile. The fourth one is Karachi. It is on the banks of the river Indus and it is in Pakistan. So about Karachi, it is the largest city in Pakistan. It is the Pakistan's premier industrial and financial center. And if you see about the Indus River, it is one of the longest rivers in Asia. It flows through China, India and Pakistan. The next one is New York. This is on the banks of the river Hudson. It is in USA. So to talk about New York City, this city is world's major commercial, financial and cultural centers. It is also called as city of skyscrapers such as the Empire State Building, sprawling Central Park. So all these are famous buildings in city New York. And Hudson is the river flowing through this. Next one is Quebec. This city is on the banks of the river St. Lawrence. It is in Canada. Now about Quebec. This city has many stone buildings and the streets are very narrow in this city. St. Lawrence River is the large river in the middle latitudes of North America. The river flows in a roughly northeasterly direction, connecting the Great Lakes with the Atlantic Ocean. So this is about the Quebec and the St. Lawrence River in Canada. The next one is Kinshasa. This city is on the banks of the river Congo. It is in Congo. Now this Kinshasa, this is one of the fishing and trading villages. It is now a mega city with a population of about 16 million people. Then about Congo River, it is formerly known as the River Zaire. This flows through Amazon. The next one is Delhi. It is on the banks of the river Yamuna. It is in India. So Delhi, it is the massive metropolitan area in the country's north. We know that it is the capital of our India. Famous buildings like Red Fort, Jama Masjid Mosque are found here. Then there is another place called Chandni Chowk. It is a vibrant bazaar filled with food carts, sweets, shops and spice stalls. So this is a very busy and you can see number of stalls in this place. It is called Chandni Chowk. And the river is Yamuna. Yamuna river is the second largest tributary river of the Ganga and the longest tributary in India. So Yamuna is the longest tributary in India. It originates from the Yamunotri glacier. Next one is Rome. It is on the banks of the river Tiber. It is in Italy. So Rome, it is known as the city of seven hills, and Tiber, it is the river. It is the third longest river in Italy. It is rising from the Apennine Mountains. The next one is Paris. It is on the banks of the river Seine. It is in France. Paris is a major European city and a global center for art, fashion, gastronomy and culture. The world's famous Eiffel Tower is present in Paris. Then Seine, it is the river which is 775 kilometer long and an important commercial waterway within the Paris. The next one is Baghdad. It is on the banks of the river Tigris. It is in Iraq. Baghdad is the third largest city in the Arab world. It is the capital of Iraq. And about Tigris, this river flows south from the mountains of southeastern Turkey through Iraq and empties into the Persian Gulf. The next one is Belgrade. This city is on the banks of the river Danube. It is in Serbia. And about Belgrade, this is the capital of Southeast European country of Siberia. It has many buildings as landmarks and famous for museums and parks. Then this Danube is the river. It is the Europe's second longest river after Volga. It was once a long-standing frontier of the Roman Empire and today flows through 10 countries. The next one is Varanasi. It is on the banks of the river Ganga. It is in India. Varanasi is a city in India. It is in Uttar Pradesh. It is the spiritual capital of India. Golden Temple is found here. So we know that Ganga, it is the holy river. This originates from Gangotri Glacier of Western Himalayas. Now the last one is Shanghai. This city is on the banks of the river Huangpu, which is in China. The Shanghai city is located on China's central coast, is the country's biggest city and a global financial hub. And about the Huangpu river means it is a man-made river. It is about 113 km long, flowing through Shanghai. This was first excavated and created by Lord Chuanzhen, one of the four lords of the warring states. So this is about Shanghai, which is a city in the river banks Huangpu, which is in China. Yeah, we will just quickly look into the lesson once again. That is the choose and fill the correct name of the river and the country in the blanks. So the first one is London. It is on the banks of the river Thames. It is in England. The second one, Bonn. It is on the banks of the river Rhine. It is in Germany. The third one, Cairo. It is on the banks of the river Nile. It is in Egypt. Fourth one, Karachi, on the banks of the river Indus, is in Pakistan. The fifth one, New York. It is on the banks of the river Hudson. It is in USA. Sixth one, Quebec, on the banks of the river St. Lawrence. It is in Canada. Next one is Kinshasa, on the banks of the river Congo, which is in Congo. Delhi, it is on the banks of the river Yamuna. It is in India. Rome, it is on the banks of the river Tiber. It is in Italy. Paris is a city on the banks of river Seine. It is in France. Baghdad, on the river banks of Tigris. It is in Iraq. Belgrade, on the banks of the river Danube, is in Serbia. Varanasi, on the banks of river Ganga. It is in India. And the last one is Shanghai, on the banks of the river Huangpu in China. So write this into your textbooks as well as in your notebook. Copy this into your notebook also. Hope you all understood this, children. Thank you.